Hello my friends. Imagine an adventure through the vast prairies, where herds of deer freely graze. Today, you'll join me to explore the magical world of deer farms, where creative farmers create a huge source of income from this animal. The impact of overhunting looms large over numerous wildlife species, with deer among the most affected. Historically praised for their meat, hides, antlers, and venison, deer now face a dwindling population due to heightened demand and advanced hunting techniques. As prized treasures in medicine and beauty industry, deer antlers fetch hefty prices, ranging from $500 to $1,000 per set. This lucrative market fuels a surge in illegal hunting across many regions, posing a grave threat to the wild deer population. Do you find deer antlers valuable? If yes, please comment number 1. In the face of extinction risks from overhunting, deer are now being domesticated on farms. This practice safeguards deer populations and provides a sustainable source of food and products, fostering local economic development. Siberia's renowned marl deer, a subspecies of red deer, reigns supreme in the region. Originating from the Altai and Sayan mountain ranges, marl deer boast impressive stature, dense fur, and majestic antlers, captivating all who behold them. The marl deer, once wild, now flourish in domestication, thriving in Siberia's harsh climates. Renowned for their adaptability, they are integral to Siberia's economy. Siberia's deer meat industry is poised for growth, leveraging its vast land and natural resources. With government support, including high-quality breeds and financial aid, the sector is set for success. Deer gestation spans 5 to 7 months, with the ideal time for reproduction falling between May and June. While typically birthing one offspring, twins or triplets, though rare, aren't unheard of in deer births. Newborn deer depend on their mother's milk during their early weeks before they begin transitioning to solid food. Young deer undergo rapid growth, reaching 60 to 70 pounds in just a few months. As they mature, they gradually venture out on their own more often. If you appreciate the beauty of these amazing creatures, please comment number 1. Deer mortality poses a significant concern for farmers during the farming process, as it could potentially impact their economy and herd health. To mitigate this risk, farmers must prioritize preventative measures, including comprehensive vaccination protocols, ensuring sufficient nutrition, maintaining clean living environments, and conducting regular health monitoring to promptly identify and address any signs of illness or distress. Raising and harvesting deer for meat and antler velvet typically takes 3 to 5 years. Careful attention, nourishment, and monitoring ensure optimal growth, resulting in high-quality meat and antler velvet. Did you know that Siberia's deer meat industry is booming, proving immensely lucrative for livestock farmers? Highly prized for its delectable flavor and nutritional value, deer meat enjoys a growing demand, particularly in Asian markets like China, Japan, and South Korea. With its premium quality, deer meat commands higher prices compared to other red meats, ranging from $12.16 to $20.26 per 2 pounds. This burgeoning market has attracted both domestic and international investors, propelling Siberia's deer meat production industry to become one of the region's fastest-growing economic sectors. Deer leather offers a luxurious and sophisticated feel, unmatched by any other type of leather. Its exceptional durability means it can withstand high friction and resist scratches, ensuring products maintain their pristine appearance over time. The soft and smooth texture of deer leather enhances comfort and enjoyment. While its unique natural grain patterns make each product a distinctive work of art, reflecting the refined taste of the user. Have you sampled deer meat yet? Not only is it a delicious delicacy, but it's also packed with nutrition. Deer meat is rich in protein and beneficial fats, boasting lower saturated fat and cholesterol compared to many other slices of meat. Plus, it's loaded with essential amino acids, vitamins like B6 and B12, and minerals like iron, zinc, and selenium, all vital for body function and development. What's more, deer meat is a powerhouse of antioxidants, guarding against free radical damage and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases and cancer. Deer leather accessories embody both luxury and individuality. Each piece, whether it's a handbag, gloves, or shoes, exudes sophistication and unmatched quality, making it the perfect choice for those who appreciate the finer things in life. On average, deer yield between 100 to 300 kilograms of antlers, contingent upon their species and size. To ensure safety for both the deer and handlers, gentle restraint or anesthesia is employed during harvesting. Following the antler removal, oatmeal powder, prized for its hemostatic and antibacterial qualities, is applied to the cuts. This minimizes stress, prevents infection, and accelerates healing, safeguarding against potential injuries. After boiling to remove liquids and impurities, deer antlers are carefully dried, fostering optimal conditions for swift drying and quality enhancement. Hung or shelved, they air dry naturally, with drying times varying from weeks to months depending on antler thickness and environmental factors. The deer antlers undergo slicing into thin 0.5mm pieces, followed by another drying process. Once dried, they're meticulously packed into labeled boxes, tailored to meet the specific demands of the customers. From approximately 800 grams of deer antlers, around 250 grams of medicinal materials are obtained after processing. Known for its diverse health benefits, deer antler supports muscle strength, blood pressure regulation, cardiac function enhancement, mental well-being, and more, making it a prized medicinal ingredient worldwide. Ensuring robust antler development post-velvet removal necessitates providing deer with a balanced, nutrition-rich diet for swift recovery. Typically, their diet comprises protein and vitamin-rich foods, facilitating the recovery process and bolstering overall health.